meron pong bagong congresswoman sa kasalukuyang 19th Congress. Ang nakikita ko na magaling, hindi lang dahil kababayan kong Batanggenyo, kung hindi talagang iba ho yung kanyang style. At sabihin na natin nakakuha ng katapat si Harry Roque, dating spokesperson, ang papakilalang international lawyer dito po sa kay Congresswoman Luistro ng 2nd District ng lalawigan ng Batangas. Hindi po ito dumaan sa local position, hindi ito naging konsehal o mayor kung ano. Agad-agad ay naging kongresista ng 2nd distrito. At hindi po pagsisisihan ng mga taga Batangas at ng ating mga mamamayan ngayon. Kasi kanyang ipinapakita, karapat dapat siya. Kaya kahit si Harry Roque kanyang hinarap, at pakinggan po ninyo ang kanyang pagtatanong tungkol sa trabaho ni Roque bilang dating spokesperson, bilang isang abogado, at ano ang kanyang paniniwala doon sa Executive Order. Executive Order number 13, dahil lang kung bakit nagkaroon ng pogo dito sa ating bansa sa ilalim ng Duterte administration. Ito yung question and answer na ginawa ni Congressman Attorney Luistro ng Batangas.
That's my question to Attorney Harry Roque. With all due respect, Attorney, Mr. Chair, this is a common knowledge that Attorney Harry Roque worked as the spokesperson for former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Does our resource speaker confirm this?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And Mr. Chair, can we please direct the resource speaker to describe ano po ba ang trabaho ng isang resource speaker ng Presidente?
As spokesperson, I was addressing the Malacanang Press Corps 3 times a week. I was preparing press releases on behalf of the President, and I was answering queries from the media on behalf of the President.
And will the resource speaker agree if I would say that a spokesperson position is a position of trust and confidence?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And by position of trust and confidence, it means that the President is giving you his full trust and confidence in all matters that might be within or even relevant to the discharge of your function as presidential spokesperson. Does the resource speaker agree?
Mr. Chairman, subject to regular consultations with the President.
And for the information of the committee, by the position of trust and confidence, it means that the moment the President lost the trust and confidence to the person, he can anytime terminate this official.
I confirm that, Mr. Chairman. I was appointed to a position with the rank of cabinet member.
And having earned that reputation in the legal circle, Mr. Chair, and being the presidential spokesperson as well, I would assume that if ever there will be erroneous decisions on the part of the President, Attorney Harry Roque will be calling the attention and correcting or perhaps stopping the President from pursuing such erroneous action.
Wow.
Will the resource speaker agree to this?
I do not think I have that function. I could only speak for the President. I could not actually countermand him. I could not correct him. He is my principal.
But considering, Mr. Chair, that he is a lawyer
Yun.
and a spokesperson as well, pagka po ba may maling desisyon ang Presidente, will you not volunteer your legal expertise to correct the President?
Unless I am asked for my opinion, Mr. Chair, I will not volunteer, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, I wish to invite the attention of Attorney Harry Roque to PD 1869. This is described as the Charter of PAGCOR. And as a matter of fact, it defines what illegal gambling is. I also wish to invite his attention to Republic Act number 9487, which extends the franchise of PAGCOR to another 25 years. Again, it defines what illegal gambling is. Ultimately, Mr. Chair, I wish to invite the attention of Attorney Roque to Executive Order number 13. And I wish to state for the record, Mr. Chair, that for the very first time, the term online gaming was mentioned in Executive Order number 13. This is something which is not mentioned, which is not provided in PD 1869, as well as in RA 9487. May I ask the resource speaker, when the President issued Executive Order number 13, don't you think he legislated?
I am unable to make an opinion because when I was a spokesperson, legal matters such as these are directed to the Presidential Legal Counsel or to the Office of the Solicitor General or to the legal office of the Office of the President under the Executive Secretary.
Mr. Chair, this representation wishes to solicit the opinion of a legal expert, our resource speaker, Attorney Harry Roque. I am sure that with the number of hearings he went through already, he has come across Executive Order number 13.
Okay, para maliwanagan po ninyo. Ang tinatanong dito nitong si Congressman Attorney Luistro ng Batangas ay yung Executive Order number 13 na ang kanyang paniniwala ay lumabag dun sa mga batas na binabanggit niya at pati yung presidential degree tungkol dun sa, kasama kasi yung online online gambling, hindi lang yung sa Pogo. Ngayon, ni-establish dito ni Congresswoman Luistro yung pagiging abogado at spokesperson ni Harry Roque. Parang sinasabi niya rito, actually yun ang kanyang tinutukoy, ikaw abogado ka, alam mo na posibleng may problema yung executive order, wala ka bang karapatan o hindi mo ba ginawa bilang isang abogado na i-correct ito? Sabi ni Roque, hindi. Kasi mayroong legal counsel at Solicitor General ang Office of the President. So in other words, parang sinasabi dito, kahit na may mali yan, kahit ang tingin ko ay mali o kung ano man yan, hindi ako makikialam dahil siya ako'y spokesperson lang. Yan ang sinasabi ni Roque. Ang sabi naman ni Attorney Luistro, na isang abogado at bagong kongresista, abogado ka, dapat i-correct mo. Dapat kino-correct yan. Kasi may mali sa Executive Order number 13 na siyang nagkaroon nga po ng illegal pogo sa Pilipinas. So, sa akin pong analysis at interpretation sa nangyaring ito, nawala yung daldal, tapang ni Roque. Nakatapat siya ng isang magaling ding abogada at may paninindigan. Alam ang kanyang ginagawa bilang mambabatas. Na-establish ni Attorney Luistro bilang kongresista na ang mali ay dapat huwag tatangkilikin. Dapat i-correct. Ano man ang trabaho mo, abogado ka, meron kang obligasyong itama kung mali yung ginagawa ng presidente o paalalahan ng mali ang mga desisyon ng presidente. Yan po yun Para bang alam mo, abogado ka, magmalasakit ka para sa kapakanan ng bayan. Huwag kang matakot. Huwag mong ikahiya. Makialam ka sa policy at executive order ng Pangulo. Yan ang yung gustong palabasin. So, lumutang dito na nabuko si Harry Roque na wala siyang ginawa nung panahon yun. Spokesman lang siya. At dahil dyan, baka naman dahil sa, kaya hindi siya nakaalam sa executive order number 13, ito na nga, under investigation siya. Dahil lumalabas na meron siya kinalaman sa operasyon ng Pogo. Dahil abogado siya ng Pogo, dinay lang, nakinabang siya sa Pogo. Pati yung kanyang executive assistant ay nakalibre ng pagtira, may kwarto libre sa loob ng compound ng Pogo. So in other words, maraming pakinabang, nakinabang si Roque sa Pogo. Kaya kahit alam niyang may problema yung executive order number 13 doon sa mga batas na may Iran, national law, ay binaliwala niya. Yun ang na-establish dito sa question and answer na ginawa ni Attorney Luistro. Magaling ka, Attorney. Salamat sa iyo. proud ako bilang Pilipino, bilang isang Batanggenyo na may bagong kongresista sa katauhan ni Attorney Luis Tro bilang kinatawan ng 2nd District ng lalawigan ng Batangas sa kasalukuyang Kongreso. Sana tumagal ka pa. Kailangan ka sa Kongreso. Kailangan ka bilang mamabatas. Attorney, Congresswoman Luis Tro. Ano po ang inyong masasabi dyan? Any comment, reaksyon, malaya po kayo. Paki-like lang po ng mga video dito.